We'll guide you through how to manage Figma notifications effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the Figma interface and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Account Settings. This takes you to a new page where you can manage various preferences. On the pop-up window, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications. Here, you'll find different options for managing your notifications. You can adjust your email notifications, push notifications, and even in-app alerts. If you're finding too many notifications distracting, you can toggle off the ones you don't need. For example, under Email Notifications, you can uncheck the boxes for activities you don't want to be notified about, like new comments or project updates. Scroll down to Desktop Notifications to customize what pops up on your screen while working. If you prefer a quieter workspace, consider disabling desktop alerts unless they're for direct mentions or important updates. Make sure to save your changes before exiting. Managing notifications can really streamline your workflow by minimizing interruptions and keeping you focused on the task at hand. If you ever need to revisit your settings, just follow these same steps. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.